Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard, The Stamps of Life, and chances are you've already seen our newest club set, Holly Wreath to Stamp, with the matching dies. Now if you're in the Die Hard Club, of course you're getting both items sent to you automatically, yes. Now there are add-on sets and you're probably going to want these or at least look at them because, dun 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 dun, are you ready for this? I designed the flowers that could go onto the wreath. So I couldn't decide, both flowers, so I had to make both, right? Also, I included this fun corner stamp, which is really fun because sometimes you just want a little corner, extra little goodie or something like that. Now there's other words on here as well. There's merry and bright, you are the holly to my jolly, joy, Christmas, be merry, love, peace. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Now there's a holly separate over there. There's the cute little poinsettias, and then there's this fun corner die. And look at this. The corner die, I made it so you could put it on the corner of your card and die cut it and use the negative or the positive. So I always like to do that as often as possible because then you could use either or. Then of course we have our poinsettias and we have some holly leaves and we have the little bunch of holly leaves and of course a couple little extra holly berries just in case. Now, I'm really excited about the samples to share with you, but we're also releasing our Sitting Reindeer Fold-it. Now, chances are you might have our Standing Reindeer Fold-it. This is his buddy. This is brand new, never seen before, brand new, never seen before. And this is the buddy to the one that stands up. This one is sitting down. Look how cute. It also comes with some little ornament dies, so if you want to add some little ornaments to him. And I have the most adorable samples for you. Look at how cute this little guy is. He is a fold-it. So cute. You can add little wire to the little ornaments. Now, of course, Michelle loves to do her felt, and I absolutely love, what a beautiful ornament. Can you imagine making ornaments? Or you could even add this to a felt stocking if you wanted to. How adorable. Can you, I can imagine my whole tree with just different Stamps of Life felt ornaments. So adorable. Here's this cute little girl. Look at her. Isn't she beautiful? Open it up. Merry Christmas. I absolutely love this one. Now, are you ready for this one? You know how I always have some that knock my socks off. Well, this one knocked my socks off, I'll be honest. This one is using our reindeer food poem that we had for a while. It's on our website, Reindeer Food, and look how cute this little girl is. And open it up and says, make a wish and close your eyes tight, then sprinkle on your lawn at night. As Santa's reindeer fly and roam, this food will guide them to your home. And it's little oats with glitter on the inside. Isn't that adorable? So that little poem is available on our website, just a heads up. But look at how cute this little girl is. And I keep calling her a little girl, but look at her little extra nose for reindeer. Isn't that cute? Now, here's a fun banner. Dun, 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 dun. I love banners. I am like a banner fiend. I just absolutely love it. Oh, here, this is the perfect example. Now you can see the Standing Reindeer Fold-it and the Sitting Reindeer Fold-it with Season's Greetings with the tree folded on the inside. Isn't that stunning? Imagine hanging this on your door or in your window, like so people can see it from the street. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? So fun. Also, it's always fun to decorate your kids' doors. Oh, this would be perfect on there, right? Okay, now here's another cute little guy. Oh, look at this. You're so dear to me. Open it up. Holiday kisses and reindeer wishes. Now let's look at some of those add-on pieces. Look at that gorgeous little corner, so fun. This is on the Noel word stand-up. It's the most wonderful time of the year, love it. Or here it is, it's the most wonderful time of the year with that fun all the way around. Look at that gorgeous corner. Here, oh, this one has an inside too, Merry Christmas. Here's a cute one, Merry and Bright, using those gorgeous poinsettias. I love those poinsettias. Oh, and we can even open this one up. They like to tape them so they don't come up. Okay, look at that. Isn't that cute? Now, here's one that you might have already seen. This is one I showed in the last one, but look at how gorgeous those poinsettias are with the holly berries and the leaves. Now, we're also releasing for a limited time some epoxy dots for Christmas. So if you need some epoxy dots for Christmas, now's your chance to grab them. They are limited. Once these are gone, they're gone for good. But just a heads up, if you need some epoxy dots for Christmas, grab some now. They come in a pack of 3, okay? Club members, of course you're getting the club discount on all of these products. And if you're not in a club, oh my goodness, I don't know what to tell you. Come on, what are you thinking about? Go check out the website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on Join the Club. Just watch the video. No obligation. Just watch that video. And you know what? We're having so many awesome specials. The Die Hard Club is getting those freebies every month for the rest of the year. It's so awesome. Also, our Kit Club, we haven't even talked about this yet, but our Kit Club, starting in November, is going to have a bigger wow factor than it's ever had ever. Starting in November. We're changing it up. It's going to be amazing. Get in on that now so they don't sell out. Just a heads up. Okay, club members, of course you're getting the discount. Don't worry, it's all good. And you know what? If I went too fast on any of these samples, don't worry. They're all on our website under the gallery. Thanks so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.